We took a flight on Hawaiian Airlines from Oahu to Hawaii, aka the Big Island, to visit the Hawai'i Volcanoes National Park.
How many more minutes? 6 minutes? 2 miles. Yeah.
Entry in half a mile.
Are you excited?
It took about 45 minutes to drive from the Hilo International Airport to the park's visitor center. We looked around for a while as the center had a lot of cool facts and displays about Hawaii and the formation of volcanoes. It also has information about the driving tour and walking trail to help guide you on your exploration.
That's what you'd see. That thing, that's a pig. And then there's a dead bird. Dun, dun, dun. That's a little weird. How do you feel?
This is fantastic.
It's a little cold up here.
Yes, yes. Look at this one. Fantastic view.
The only time Gogo ever matches his clothes is when he didn't pick it out. Wait. Whoa, look at that. Can you see it? I don't think the camera can see it.
We made it to the first stop where there's a lookout to see the top of the volcano crater. Fun fact, Kilauea, which is one of the volcanoes in this national park, erupted quite recently on June 3rd, 2024.
Where is the volcano, by the way?
In there somewhere. No, I think it's somewhere in there.
No, there's a crater, right?
It's a crater, but the volcano's not a crater.
Under they just said you're on top of the volcano. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Do I want to put my face in that?
Huh? No. You just stand it out here.
Like a facial,
Yeah.
but like bad.
It's the volcano.
Oh. Get to your face up. Oh.
We're on top of it.
Do you do a steam?
Whoa, look at this.
Yeah, from there we go down here to the top.
Yeah.
That's stronger.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, it smells bad.
To get to the Hole Sea Arch overlook at the end of the Chain of Craters Road, located at the very bottom of the volcano, took about 20 minutes from the visitor center. You can skip everything else, but this is an absolute must. The view coming down the volcano and at the bottom is absolutely breathtaking. The ocean was the most vibrant blue, and the contrast from the vast ocean to the tall volcano you are squeezed between is really an amazing experience.
Oh, coconut.
Caution.
This specific black sand beach was not so crowded, which was pretty nice for pictures and videos. Afterwards, we drove back to the airport to catch our flight back to Oahu. We ate at the Paia Fish Market twice for dinner since it was right next to our hotel. The place does get pretty crowded around 5:30 p.m., so we advise you to get there early before the line forms.